How to change font size in Yahoo Mail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change the font size in Yahoo Mail. Now first head into your browser and head into mail.yahoo.com. You can see I've opened up Yahoo Mail. Simply click on compose option here and you'll be able to type in message here. Now I'll just type in message here. Now once you type in your message, what you want to do is first highlight the message here. Simply click on your mouse and drag it and you can see highlight. Now what you want to do is once you select or once you highlight the text, simply click on this AA option here. You can see font option here. Simply click on it and here at the right hand side you can see the font size. You can see tiny, small. Currently it's at medium. You can change it to large, X large or use simply by clicking on it. You can click on it and it'll be changed. Simply click on it again and you can change it to tiny, or you can click on it again and you can change it to X large. So this way you can change font size in Yahoo Mail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.